log x minus 3 minus log x plus 5 equals log 2, what is the value of x? So here we have log minus log equals log. So we have to condense the left side, and then once we have our logs equal, then we'll take our answers and equal them. All right, so remember, since we're subtracting, this is going to become log x minus 3 over x plus 5, because we're dividing, equals log 2. All right, so remember, the first log goes on top and the second log goes on the bottom. So now that our logs are the same, we set it equal and say x minus 3 over x plus 5 equals 2. Then we do our cross multiplying or butterfly. So we say 1 times x minus 1 and then 2 times x plus 5. All right, so that's going to become 2 times x plus 5 equals x minus 3. We distribute the 2 inside and get 2x plus 10 equals x minus 3. So I want a positive x, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract x on the right and bring it to the left. And that's going to give me x plus 10 equals negative 3. And I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides and get x equals negative 13. So the only option that says x equals negative 13 is option C. All right. Number 5, it says Brian invests $500 in savings account that pays at a rate of 4% annually. How much will be in Brian's account at the end of 11 years? So you're given the formula A equals P times 1 plus R to the T power. Okay. And so our P is our $500. Our R is going to be 4%. But remember, we got to change 4% to a decimal by moving it 2 spaces to the left, and it's going to come 0.04. And then our T is 11, okay? So now we just plug in that into the formula and get A equals 500 times 1 plus 0.04 to the 11th power. So if you put that in the calculator, you should get A is going to be equal to $769.73. And that's option B. All right. And then on number 6, it says, what's the product of x squared minus x minus 9 times x minus 3? All right. So you have a trinomial times a binomial. So again, we're going to do our box method or double distribute, however you want to handle it. We'll do the box method. I like it with trinomials. X squared minus x minus 9 goes on the top. And on the side, we're going to say x and then minus 3. So x times x squared is x to the third. X times negative x is negative x squared, and x times negative 9 is negative 9x. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times negative x is positive 3x, and then negative 3 times negative 9 is positive 27. All right, so remember, our like terms are always going to be diagonal from each other. So I'm circling the like terms. So we're going to rewrite as x to the third, and then negative 3x and squared, and negative 1x squared gives me negative 4x squared. 3x minus 9x is going to be negative 6x, and then we're going to just put 27. So the only one that has all of those terms in that order is going to be letter A. Okay? So now we'll stay tuned for the next one where we talk about the next question.